Student, I am Sheila, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics. Ananti function have more topic there. We discuss here crash ratio, bilinear transformation. Introduction. The bilinear transformation is used in digital processing and discrete time control theory to transfer continuous time system representations to discrete time and vice versa. Crash ratio. The crash ratio R of z, z1, z2, z3 of a complex numbers z, z1, z2 and z3 is defined to be R of z is equal z minus z1, z2 minus z3 divided by z minus z3 into z2 minus z1. Bilinear transformation definition. The bilinear transformation which transforms z1, z2, z3 into w1, w2, w3 is w minus w1 into w2 minus w3 divided by w minus w3 into w2 minus w1 is equal z minus z1 into z2 minus z3 divided by z minus z3 into z2 minus z1. The first problem of bilinear transformation. Find the bilinear transformation that maps the points z is equal 0, minus 1, I into the point w is equal I, 0, infinity respectively. Solution given z1 equal to 0, z2 is equal minus 1, z3 equal to I, w1 is equal 0, w1 is equal I, w2 is equal 0, w3 is equal infinity. The bilinear transformation be w minus w1, w2 minus w3 divided by w minus w3, w2 minus w1 is equal z minus z1 into z minus z2 minus z3 divided by z minus z3 into the z2 minus z1, omitting the factor involving w3 since w3 is equal infinity. Because w3 substitution infinity here, take the infinity w3 commonly outside, we get w2 divided by infinity formation that, so that value is 0, so omitting the w3 term. So the remaining term will be w minus w1 divided by w2 minus w1 is equal z minus z1 into z2 minus z3 divided by z minus z3 into z2 minus z1. Just you substitute w1, w2 and z1, z2, z3 values in this equation, so you get the value w minus I divided by 0 minus I. Z minus 0 into minus 1 minus I divided by z minus I into minus 1 minus 0. So this value is minus I. Here we get here z minus 0 is z, take minusly commonly outside, so minus of 1 plus I divided by, here having minus 1, so minus minus cancel that, you get z divided by z minus I. So this term minus I come to here this side, you get multiple, here having division come to here multiple, so that value is w minus I is equal z divided by z minus I into the value of, here I multiple that 1 into minus I, that is minus I into I squared, so that value is minus 1, already having here minus, so minus into minus plus 1, so w is equal, so in this I come to here having minus, so come to here plus, so w is equal z divided by z minus I into minus I plus 1 plus I. Take my LCM and include the z value, the first term, what is the value, minus I z plus 1 into z is equal z I into the value of z LCM term, I into the value of z minus I, that is I z minus I square term is minus 1. So already having here minus, so plus 1 divided by z minus I. So minus I z plus I z cancelling that, the remaining term will be w is equal z plus 1 divided by z minus I. Next, second question. Find the bilinear transformation which maps the points 1, I, minus 1 onto the points 0, 1, infinity. Show that the transformation maps that interior unit circle of the z plane onto the upper half of the w plane. Solution given z1 is equal 1, z2 is equal I, z3 is equal minus 1. W1 is equal 0, W2 is equal 1, W3 is equal infinity. Let the transformation will be W minus W1 into W2 minus W3 divided by W minus W3 into W2 minus W1 is equal to Z minus Z1 into Z2 minus Z3 divided by Z minus Z3 into Z2 minus Z1. Here having W3 is infinity. Already you see the form of infinity term. See, omitting that. So that value remaining will be the formula W minus W1 divided by W2 minus W1 is equal Z minus Z1 into Z2 minus Z3 divided by Z minus Z3 into Z2 minus Z1. So just you substitute that value W1, W2, Z1, Z2, Z3. So the value is W minus 0 divided by 1 minus 0 is equal Z minus 1 into I plus 1 divided by Z plus 1 into I minus 1. So that value is W is equal Z minus 1 into I plus 1 divided by Z plus 1 into I minus 1. That value is can be written as Z minus 1 divided by Z plus 1 into minus I. So minus I including the numerator term. So what is that? W is equal I minus I into Z. Here is minus. Here I also having a minus. So minus into minus plus I divided by Z plus 1. So already you know the conformal mapping for procedure. So to find, see the question, interior of unit circle Z plane onto the upper half of the W plane. So unit circle means the radius will be 1. So that is to find Z term. So W Z, take the LCM here. Sorry, Z plus 1 come to here. What is the W into Z plus 1? That is WZ plus W is equal minus I plus I. Okay, so this term will be one of the side is a term, the another term W is another side, the remaining term will be another side. The what is that? Z is equal minus W minus I divided by W plus I. To prove modulus of Z will be less than 1, maps V greater than 0. V is the W plane of the axis. So already you know the form W is equal U plus IV. So we want finding the value unit circle mapping into the upper half of the plane W plane. Okay, so that only proving here, proof the modulus of Z will be less than 1. So modulus of Z will be less than 1. Just you replace the Z term. So what is that? Minus W minus I divided by W plus I. The determinant less than 1. So modulus term will be negative, also the positive, right? So W minus I divided by W plus I less than 1. So take the LCM that W minus I is less than modulus of W plus I. So already we know the form W term equal to U plus IV. Just replacing that U plus IV minus I less than U plus IV plus I. So the term I here commonly outside, what is that? U plus I into U V minus 1 is less than U plus I into V plus 1. So modulus removing, what is the term? The squaring formation. So U square plus u minus 1 the whole square is less than u square plus v plus 1 the whole square. So here having u square, here having u square, left hand side and right hand side having u square term, omitting that value cancel, the remaining term will be v minus 1 whole square less than v plus 1 whole square. So what is that? A minus b whole squared form, m plus b whole squared form. That formula replacing that, v squared minus 2v plus 1, v squared plus 2v plus 1. So right hand side also you have v squared and plus 1, left hand side also you have v squared plus 1. So both terms are cancelled, you get the remaining term minus 2v less than plus 2v. So plus 2v come to here, minus 2v minus 2v, that is minus 4v is less than 0. So minus 4v is less than 0, this 4 minus 4 come to here, still greater than 0. Okay, so v greater than 0. This is the W plane mapping, upper of the W plane mapping. Okay, wow. The third question, prove that the bilinear transformation has at most two fixed point. Solution, the two fixed point of the transformation W is equal AZ plus B divided by CZ plus D is obtained from Z is equal AZ plus B divided by CZ plus D. So take the LCM here, Z into CZ plus D equal to AZ plus B. So Z inside multiplication, that CZ squared plus AD is equal AZ plus B. So AZ plus B come to left hand side, what is the form? CZ squared plus AZ plus minus AZ minus B. So Z take commonly outside, you get the value CZ squared plus D minus A into EZ minus B equal to 0. These 2 points are in number unless the discriminant is 0, which is in which case the number of points is 1. So many problems I will given here. So please work out the students, see the more videos in this website, and then reference book also given here, please refer it. Thank you.